Hey bro, how are you guys today? Today we've got a iPhone XsMax. We're gonna see if we can restore it. The fully screen is completely gone. Touch is still working. Back is completely gone. So let's see if we can restore this one and get it back to life again. There's really precious memories in this one. So let's. Oh good. Let's get this powered off quickly. If you can see it. If you can't see your phone showing anything to turn off, like this one doesn't want to turn off, looks like the button isn't going, so I'm gonna just unscrew the bottom screws and let's see if we can get this to open up, and just disconnect the battery. There isn't much to it, just as soon as you get into it, just disconnect the battery and then we'll take the screen off so there's no further damage. Ooh, it's pretty jacked up there. Yeah, so we don't want to do anything else first. Watch this Face ID portion. We don't want to damage it. It looks like someone's already been in there. Okay, quickly unscrew this. So there's about 4 or 5 screws in there. Just want to unscrew all of them. Watch this cable. If you damage this cable, you lost the Face ID, bro. Good. There you go. That's for the battery. This one, you want to disconnect that one. That's out. That's your screen. There's your another cable for the screen. These 2 cables, and that's your Face ID. So you want to be a little careful there. We don't want to damage it. Here we go. That's out. And now we're gonna test it later. Let's unscrew the Face ID and transfer it onto a new screen. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you separate those screws. Good. Here's the Face ID. Nice and easy. That can go in a bin. So basically Apple has said to her that hey, we can't restore it because of the broken, because someone's already been in there and there's a lot of stuff missing out of it, like that connector is broken. So we're like, oops, we're gonna transfer the Face ID, guys. So we're gonna quickly put that on there. So what you want to make sure is this hasn't came out with the black mesh. If it has came out and you don't remove it off from screen or the Face ID, it's gonna break your screen. We're going to lift up, so we screw that one in nicely. This screw is different, so you want to make sure you keep an eye on the screw. Hey guys, we got some more videos coming up about different stuff, fixing up and upgrading, so don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know in a comment what you guys want to know next, and we'll make a video on that one. Make some time up and get you a video out there, and don't forget to subscribe. It's always a great help. It doesn't cost you anything though. Oh good. Here we go. There goes one connector, there goes a second connector. So you want to make sure you hear that click, the nice click, and as soon as you hear that click, that means it's in nice and tidy. I'm going to connect the battery on it, and fingers crossed. Nothing. Okay. Oh, there you go. We got the Apple logo. Looks good. Alright, let's put those screws back in there. Well, Apple should have just put a new screen on it and fixed it, eh? No worries. Got your back. There goes some screws. There it is. Nice and easy. Just gonna put it back together. Clicks in nicely. Just make sure. There it is.